Which of the following is an example of noun? C. Apple.
Okay.
My God, this question is very interesting.
Is C, conjunction.
Okay, that's correct. And the next question is...
Di mo juga kasar tadi ha. Lisod-lisod din mo ha.
Okay, thank
My
you.
God, thank you so much.
Sige, tayo, dapat.
I pick running. I-demonstrate? Ay, verb. Verb, no?
Yes.
What's the word, verb? Second is reading. What's the word, the name, verb?
What's up, everyone? So we are here at Talisay City College to find some students to answer our trivia question. But first, we are going to introduce our name. My name is Daniela. My name is General. My name is Maria Teresa. So what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hello, Miss. Good afternoon. What is your name?
Gian Oxida.
Can we take your time for a while?
Of course.
We can interview you. You pick three question and then answer. You read and then you answer.
Three question only.
Yes.
Okay. Reggie saw some sign of their ear. The answer is adjective.
Okay. Next question, please.
What type of noun is a water? Countable noun.
Okay, correct. Last question.
Which of the following is an example of noun? C. Apple.
Okay. And then you pick at least two words, and then you determine what type of noun it is.
Cookies. Accountable.
That's correct. Last one.
Apples. Accountable.
Thank afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can we take your time for a while?
Yes.
By the way, what is your name?
I am Opia Jane Ortega.
Okay. So we have a game here. You need to pick at least three questions and then you read it and answer. Okay, first question.
Number 1. Which of the following is an example of noun?
Answer.
C. Apple.
Okay, that's correct. Second question.
They attended the concert last weekend. The underlined word is attended. Verb A.
Okay. Last question.
What type of noun is water? B. Countable noun.
Okay. And second, you need to pick at least two and then you determine what kind of part of speech is this.
The word is walking. It is a verb.
Okay, that's correct.
The second word is plant. It's noun.
Okay. Thank you so much.
First question is, check the score, Tom. I think the answer of this question is D, verb.
That's correct.
Second question is, they attended the concert last weekend. I think this is verb also.
That's correct.
Third question is, hey, that is my seat. Interjection.
Correct.
Here, ma'am, I miss. Can you make also at least two words, and then you determine what is part of speech is this. Walking and plant. Walking is verb, and plant is a noun. That's it.
Thank you so much.
So here, miss, just like what she did. Can you pick some questions, at least 3?
First is, she was counting the balloons during social studies class. I think the answer is pronoun. And second is, which of the following is an example of a noun? Apple. Third question is, find a common noun. His friend accompanies him. Answer is friend.
That's it. So, thank you, Miss. Thank you. Can you pick at least 2 words and then you determine what type of noun it is?
The word is dress and fish. So the dress is type of noun is countable and the fish is uncountable.
That's right. So, thank you for having your time, Miss. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. Can we take your time for a while?
Yes, I'm sure.
What is your name, by the way?
I am, good afternoon everyone, I am Elton Marcila Baho.
Okay, here, like we have a game here. You need to pick at least 3 questions and then you read it and answer directly.
Which of the following is an example of a proper noun? A. River. B. City. C. London. D. Mountain. I think letter C. London.
Okay, that's correct. And then the second question.
Which of the following is an example of a noun? A. Sleep. B. Sad. C. Apple. D. Beautiful. C. Apple.
Okay, the last question.
Which of the following words is an example of a noun? A. Doorbell. B. Pretend. C. Talk. D. Eat. A. Doorbell.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Here, sir, you pick at least 2 words and then you determine what part of speech is this.
Plant is a noun.
That's correct. And then the last one.
Speaking is a verb.
So, thank you, sir.
So the question is, which of the following is an example of a compound noun? Letter D, notebook.
Okay, second question.
Hey, that is my seat. The answer is letter C, interjection.
Okay, last question.
Her sister is the oldest member of the group. Noun, C, letter C.
Okay, thank you. And then we proceed to the second game, which is you need to choose or pick at least 2, and then you provide what is part of speech of this.
Two.
Yes, 2. Read it first, and then
Cebu. I think it's a noun.
okay, that's correct. And then the last one.
He. I think it's a pronoun.
Okay, that's correct. You answer it. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Okay, here we have a let's call it a game. You need to pick at least 3 questions. You read it and answer directly. Okay. Pick your first question. Okay, read it.
The question is, which of the following is an example of a compound noun? The answer is D. Notebook.
Okay. Second question.
Will they finish the test on time? Letter D. Pronoun.
Okay. The last question.
Check the score at home. The answer is letter D. Verb.
Okay, thank you.
So, here, you have to pick some at least 2 words or questions and you answer and you determine what part of speech it is. Then you pick at least 2. That is all.
jumping. Jumping is a verb.
That's correct.
And the second one is walking. Walking is a verb.
That's also correct.
Okay.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. Can we take your time for a while?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, here we have a question. Then you need to pick at least 3 questions, each of you, and then you need to read it and answer.
Okay.
Okay. Who can first? You?
Yeah.
Okay. Read it and answer.
The question is, find a common noun. His friend accompanies him. The answer is friend.
Okay, thank you. Then next question.
Me too.
Yeah, you need
Oh my
to
God.
you need to pick at least 3 questions.
Okay. Which of the following is an example of noun? C. Apple.
Okay.
My God, this question is very interesting. Regis saw the awesome sight from the air, and the underline here is awesome. It's adjective.
Okay, thank
My
you.
God, thank you so much.
Ikaw tayo, sa pansa day.
Sasa naman sa
Dari. Give me the box. Okay.
So here you need to pick at least two words, and then you identify what part of speech it is. The word.
Okay. The first word is Paris. The Paris is noun.
That's
Also,
correct.
Glenn is the name of person, right?
Yes.
It's noun.
That's also correct.
My God, thank you so much.
Yan na din.
Okay. State your name.
I'm Junmi.
Okay. Okay, Junmi. Pick at least 3 questions. Read it and answer.
So the question is, what type of noun is a cookie? For A, uncountable. B, noun. B is countable noun. So the answer is B, countable noun.
Okay, thank you. Next
Next
question.
question, let me see. Okay. The second question is, what type of noun is Legazpi City? A, common noun, or B, proper noun? The answer is proper noun.
Okay, that's correct.
Then the last question should be, she was counting the ballots during social study class, and the underlined word is she. What is it? A, pronoun, B, noun, C, adjective, and D, preposition. The answer is A, pronoun.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Yes, you should. So I should pick at least 2 questions,
Yes, 2
right?
questions. And then identify what part of speech is that.
So the chosen words is beyond and from. So beyond is a preposition. Am I right?
Yes, correct.
Yes, I'm right. Then the next question is from, and the answer is preposition.
Okay, thank you, Johnny.
Alright. Oh my
Okay,
God.
the last students.
Amazing.
What's
your name?
State your name
By the way,
first.
I'm Wilfredo.
Okay, Wilfredo, pick at least 3 like the charo. Okay, ready.
Blank. You're stepping on my foot. A, oh. B, ouch. C, wet. So the answer of this is letter A, oh.
Okay, correct. Next question.
The question is very interesting.
Fast runners won all the awards at the track meet. A, verb. B, adjective. C, adverb. D, pronoun. So the underlined word here is fast, and the answer would be adjective.
Okay, correct. Last question.
What type of noun is cat? A, proper noun. B, common noun. The answer of this is common noun.
Okay. Pick 2.
The first word is reading. So the reading is a type of verb.
Okay, correct. Last one.
And the last one is running, and it is also a verb.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
To have that.
Thank you.
Tapos tulong ko.
Thank you.
Bye. Hello, good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
By the way, can you state your name?
I'm Jayan Castellares.
Okay. Here, let's let's talk about it. It is a game. So you need to pick at least 3 questions and then you read it and answer.
Okay.
Okay. First question is
Alright, so first question, I wanted a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch yesterday. So letter A, the choices are letter A, noun, B, adverb, C, conjunction, D, verb. So the answer for this is C, conjunction.
okay, that's correct. And the next question is
Correct. Di mo juga kasar cari ha. Listen diri mo ha. Will the students be able to find the answer by themselves? Letter A, conjunction. B, adjective. C, pronoun. D, noun. The answer is pronoun since the underlined word is themselves.
okay, that's correct. Last question.
So what type of noun is sandwich? Letter A, uncountable noun. B, countable noun. So the answer is B, countable noun.
Okay, thank you.
So here, you pick at least 2 words and then you identify what part of speech is this. So, at least 2.
So the noun here is Jaren.
Shima kay kasir dyan na.
Jare is noun. May part na siya sa noun. Name man na siya. Laban. The next is he. Kani siya kay pronoun.
Nice. That's correct.
Thank you so much.
What can you say about surgery? Jima juga kasir. May na sila gipalisod-lisod eh. Wala nagpili mo nga nga pag first year. Thank you, te.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay. Can we take your time for a while?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Can you tell us what is your name?
My name is Quinteyo Orquiza.
Okay, here. We have a question here and then you need to pick at least 3 questions and then you need to read and answer.
Okay.
Okay. Pick your first question.
Which of the following is an example of a compound noun? A. Quickly. B. Happy. C. Run. D. Notebook. I think the answer is D. Notebook.
Okay, correct. Pick your second question.
The truck driver delivered the package quickly. The underlined word is quickly. A. Adverb. B. Verb. C. Interjection. D. Pronoun. I think the answer is A. Adverb.
Correct.
Words.
Last question.
They attended a concert last weekend. The underlined word is attended. A. Verb. B. Noun. C. Conjunction. D. Pronoun. A. Verb.
Correct.
So here you have to pick at least 2 questions, at least 2 words, and then you identify what part of speech of this.
Sugar. Uncountable.
That's correct. The next one is
Quickly. Interjection.
that's also correct.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Can you state your name?
Mamon de Marijoy.
I'm Efren Baloro.
I'm John Balji Villegas. I'm Angel Therese Cantaran.
Okay. We have here, it's a question. You need to pick at least 3 questions and then you read and answer. Okay, you first, miss. read it, and answer.
Which of the following word is an example of a noun? A. Doorbell, B. Pretend, C. Talk, D. Eat. Doorbell, I think doorbell is the answer.
Okay, that's correct. Next question.
Which of the following is an example of proper noun? A. River, B. City, C. London, D. Mountain. I think the answer is London. This is the place.
Okay, last question, miss.
Which of the following is not a compound noun? A. Goldfish, B. Table, C. Ladybug, D. Handbag. I think the answer is goldfish, letter A.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, this one is you need to pick at least 2 words and then identify what is part of speech is that.
Speaking. Verb.
Correct?
Badly. Adverb.
Okay, thank you. Next. 3 question, please.
Will they finish the test on time? A. Adjective, B. Noun, C. Verb, D. Pronoun. My answer is pronoun.
Correct. Next question.
Hey, that is my seat. A. Pronoun, B. Verb, C. Interjection, D. Preposition. My answer is C. Interjection.
Correct. Next question and your last question.
Check the score, Tom. A. Adjective, B. Interjection, C. Noun, D. Verb. My answer is verb.
Okay. Like she did, you need to pick at least 2 words that identify what kind of part of speech is that. Yes, 2 words only.
From, preposition.
Correct?
Beyond, preposition.
Okay, thank you. Third interviewer. Okay. Just pick at least 3 questions.
Find a common noun. John read his favorite book. A. Read. B. Favorite. C. John. D. Book. My answer is C. John.
Okay, correct. Your second question, miss.
Find a proper noun. Her best friend moved to Japan to study. A. Japan. B. Study. C. Her. D. Best friend. My answer is A. Japan.
Okay, last question.
What type of noun is Paris? A. Proper noun. B. Common noun. My answer is proper noun.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Two words and then identify what part of speech.
Sugar. Uncountable.
Correct.
Jumping. Verb.
Correct. Thank you. Last interviewer. Like they did, you need to pick 3 questions, read and answer.
Can you see beyond the hills from the top of the tower? A. Noun. B. Adjective. C. Preposition. D. Adjective. C. Preposition.
Correct. The second question.
Her sister is the oldest member of the group. A. Verb. B. Adverb. C. Noun. D. Pronoun. And the underlined word is C. Noun.
Okay. Last question.
What type of noun is water? A. Uncountable noun. B. Countable noun. A. Uncountable noun.
Correct. Okay, pick at least 2 words, identify what part of speech. Interjection. North. Conjunction. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, can you state your name? Andrea.
Daver. Noel.
Next. Okay, we have here a different question. So you need to pick at least 3 questions, each one of you, and then read and answer. Okay, first question. Please pick at least 3 questions and 3. Yeah.
Miss Universe. Ikaw na, Day. Doon, matulog.
Thank you for this wonderful question.
You're welcome.
Will they finish the test on time? Yeah. A. Adjective. B. Noun. C. Verb. D. Pronoun. Next question, please. D. Pronoun.
Okay.
Are you sure of yourself? A. Article. B. Noun. C. Preposition. D. Pronoun. C. Preposition.
Last question.
What type of noun is Legazpi City? A. Common noun. B. Proper noun. D. Proper noun.
Okay. And here, I have a words here. You need to pick at least 2 words and then identify what kind of part of speech is this. Ano rin yan? Ano si Papa?
Tuto?
O, 2 words only.
2 words.
Ano
Over and quietly. Over is a preposition. Quietly is adverb.
Okay, thank you. Next interviewer.
Sorry.
Okay, like she did, you need to pick 3 questions.
Correct question. Number 1 question. So questioner. Then questioner. I read it twice or thrice a day.
Only one.
I only one.
One.
Number 3. Which of the following is an example of a compound noun? A. Quickly. C. Happy. D. Run. B. Happy. C. Run. D. Notebook. Notebook. D.
Correct.
No, thank you. Next question, please. Number 9. Find a proper noun. Her best friend moved to Japan to study. A. Japan. B. Study. C. Her. D. Best friend. Balance siya best friend. I go for Japan. Sa toto?
Yes,
Oh my
correct
God.
answer.
Pila ni ka grado?
Flat 1.
2 point. Okay, last question. What type of noun is Paris? Paris? Paris, Paris, sorry. What type of noun is Paris? A. Proper noun. B. Common noun. I think proper noun.
Correct.
Uy!
Okay, here. Pick 2 words and identify what kind of part of speech is this.
2 words
Yes,
or 2 paper? Ay, sorry.
it's A.
It's the same. The first word I pick running. A. Demonstrate. Ay, verb. Verb no.
Yes.
Action word, verb. Second is reading. Action word is a verb. Ay, muli na ko.
Thank you. Next. Okay. Like they did, pick 3 questions and read and answer. Okay. Please read.
Ay, batangan ni with feelings ni.
Oh.
Hooray! Our team has finally scored a touchdown. 1. A. Interjection. B. Noun. C. Article. D. Verb. Interjection.
Correct.
Ran, check the score. Tom, A, adjective, B, interjection, C, noun, D, verb. Verb.
Correct. Last question.
Kwan, what type of noun is sandwich? A, uncountable noun, B, countable noun. B, countable noun.
Correct. Okay. Pick two words, then identify.
Kwan, ang first word kay either. Kwan, conjunction rather.
Correct.
Sakto na?
Conjunction.
Thank you. Kwan, sunod kay speaking. Verb.
Okay, thank you so much. Last but not the least, pick three questions like they did.
The first question is, fast runner won all the awards that track. A, verb, B, adjective, C, adverb, D, verb. Letter B, adjective.
Correct.
Next. What type of noun is used? A, accountable noun, B, countable noun. The answer is letter B, countable noun.
Okay, last question, miss.
Last question was, I wanted a peanut butter and a jelly sandwich for lunch yesterday. A, noun, B, adverb, C, conjunction, and D is verb. The answer is letter C, conjunction.
Correct. Okay, two words. Identify. Read and identify.
Plant, which is for noun, and then which is interjections.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can we take your time for a while?
Yes,
Okay, by the way, what is your name?
my name is Christine Joy Mungkan. Marcel Gabisan.
Okay. We have here a question and then you need to answer. First, you need to pick at least three questions and then you read and answer. Okay. Pick your first question, miss. And then read it.
Check the score. Tom. A, adjective, B, interjection, C, noun, D, verb. D. Verb.
Okay, correct. Next question.
What type of noun is water? A, uncountable, B, countable noun. A, uncountable noun.
Correct. Last question.
Find the proper noun. Her best friend moved to Japan to study. A, Japan, B, study, C, her, D, best friend. A, Japan.
Correct. And then you need to pick two words and then identify what part of speech.
Over. I think over is part of the preposition.
Correct.
And then walking is part of the verb.
Okay, thank you. Next interviewer, please. Like she did, you need to pick at least three questions.
Okay, so I pick, can you see beyond the hills from the top of the tower? So A, noun, B, adjective, C, preposition, D, adjective. The answer is letter C, preposition. Next question, what type of noun is Legazpi City? A, common noun, B, proper noun. So the answer is letter B, proper noun. Now, next question, the truck driver delivered the package quickly. A, adverb, B, verb, C, interjection, D, pronoun. The answer is letter A, adverb.
Okay, like she did, you need to pick two words and identify.
From, so from is part of preposition. Second, Clint. So, Clint is part of noun.
Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you so much.
What is the importance of English language in the academy? Let's find out. English language is very important in schools and universities because it is the main language used for teaching and learning. It is also the language used for research and sharing knowledge with others in the academic community. Being good at English helps students and teachers to connect with people from different countries and cultures. That's all. Thank you.